In this video, I would like to show you what options there are to use a Stream Deck to operate the grandMA3 console. All functions works completely without a macro or plugin and can therefore be used directly in every show file. The corresponding syntax can be found at the end of this video. The color picker was a really nice idea from a very close friend. I have prepared a few basic colors that then can also serve as a starting point for more precise adjustments. There are some mixes in the lower area. You should use them and try it out with the MAtricks. The results are very interesting. The picker should help me creating some presets. When I have selected some fixtures, this button brings up values into the programmer. From here, I can store them directly into presets. The complete configuration can be purchased at feeds.de. Now please click on the lower right symbol to subscribe this channel. And when you click the bell, you always know when there are new grandMA3 themed videos. In the upper right corner, you can come straight to another video that might interest you.